This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Michelle Foreman. Located in Magnolia Park, just blocks from both Reds and Woodvale Elementary, this 3-bed, 2-bath home boasts many upgrades plus a bonus office room right off the laundry space. Enter the house through the new front door and you will find the updated kitchen, a dream featuring quartz countertops, slow close cabinets, a gas stove top and newer appliances. Enjoy the new flooring, modern lighting, and the natural light peering through energy-efficient windows. The primary bathroom has been tastefully remodeled, the hallway restroom is very large, and the bonus room has so many options. Outside, the newly installed back fence provides plenty of privacy for the spacious backyard, which is the perfect bordered for an outdoor entertaining area. There's also hidden storage space behind the fence. For more